Hello friends. I welcome you all to TechMite. I hope you all are doing well. Every trade has its tools, and software development is no different. A good programmer or software developer generally knows their tools better than others and also has access to more powerful and advanced tools than an average programmer. But there are certain tools that you expect every software developer should know, and this list is all about such tools. In this list, I am going to share 5 essential tools, which I believe every programmer or software developer should know and know well. 1. Git and Github. Good knowledge of source control repository is mandatory for any programmer or software developer, because you need to do the check-in, check-out of code every day. And, to become a better developer, you should also know advanced concepts like branching and merging. In today's world, Git and GitHub have become synonymous with the source control repository and version control tool. This is the single most important tool for a programmer now, and that's why I suggest every programmer learn Git and GitHub truly well. 2. SQL. This is another essential tool or programming language every programmer should learn. SQL is actually standard query language and used to work with the database. By using SQL you can read, update, and delete data from tables. Since we use databases everywhere in the real world, a programmer should have a good understanding of SQL. Apart from knowing basic commands like select, insert, update, and delete, a programmer should also know how to write complex queries using join, aggregate functions, subqueries, and other advanced functionalities. 3. Docker. Docker is another important tool that I think every programmer and software developer should learn. It makes your development easy as you don't need to install much separate application. Just downloading a Docker image with the required software is enough. Docker is also becoming a standard tool for deployment as more and more teams are adopting Docker to deploy microservices and other cloud-native apps in a consistent manner. The main advantage of Docker is that you can deploy a Java microservice or a C++ app in the same way because you actually deploy a Docker container. 4. Linux commands. Just like SQL, Linux commands is another essential tool for programmers. Every programmer has to work on Unix sometimes, and many of us spend most of our day on a Linux machine. Good knowledge of Linux commands means you can find what you want, you can know what's going on with the machine, and you can troubleshoot any issues with your application running on Linux. This is a must-have skill for every programmer, and if you are not comfortable with Linux commands, you must spend some time learning it, especially if you have some exploring to Linux. 5. VS Code. Every programmer should know one text editor pretty well, but what if you can learn something which is to only a great text editor, but also a more powerful IDE? Well, VS Code is that tool that every software developer should learn in 2021. Software developers do a lot of text processing jobs, and knowing a text editor will always help. Apart from Notepad, which is a very good, omnipresent basic text editor, I encourage the programmer to learn some advanced text editors like Sublime or Notepad++. But if you know VS Code, then you can do advanced text searching, replacement, and even run macros. They support regular expression search and replace and macros, which will help you a lot with your everyday work. That's all for today, guys. If you liked the video or learned something, then please support me by liking it, sharing it, commenting on it, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you want to see helpful and informative posts on technology, then do follow me on Instagram. I will put the link in the description. Thanks.